Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, you'll learn how to create calendar and appointment email templates. From your calendar, click on Settings. There are several sections where you can configure email templates for different appointment-related scenarios. For example, under Confirmation Email, you can select a confirmation template and preview it. Under Appointment Reminders, you can configure reminder templates for 3 days, 24 hours, 2 hours, and 15 minutes before an appointment. Each reminder template can be previewed here. You can also configure templates for client review reminders and for follow-up emails, which are automatically sent after a meeting. Email templates can also be used in shared calendars and public calendars. For example, under Public Calendars, when you click Edit, there's a field where you can assign a confirmation email template specific to that public calendar. The same applies to shared calendars. In this video, you'll see how to edit or create a new appointment email template. Go to the Marketing dashboard. In the green menu on the left, click on Templates, then select Emails. This opens the Email Template screen. Under Category, filter by Appointments. When you apply this filter, you'll see system-provided templates that are pre-uploaded for appointment communications. For example, if you open the 24-hour appointment reminder template, you'll see its subject and message content. This is the standard 24-hour appointment reminder. The key part when editing or creating templates is to use shortcodes. This template uses shortcodes for first name, appointment date, start time, time zone, location, and host name to personalize the message. To access available shortcodes, click the blue Shortcodes button here. This opens a list of all shortcodes you can use in your message. The shortcodes are grouped by category. One important category is calendar shortcodes, which are used specifically for appointments and calendar-related communications. These shortcodes won't function in general emails or email marketing campaigns. They only work in appointment confirmations, reminders, client review reminders, and follow-up emails. There are more than 15 appointment shortcodes you can include, such as appointment description, subject, date, guest emails, start and end time, time zone, appointment type, and location. 3 key shortcodes to include are the confirmation link, reschedule link, and cancel link. These give your clients the ability to take immediate action, whether they need to confirm their appointment, choose a new time, or cancel altogether. Including these links helps reduce no-shows and improve scheduling flexibility. There's also a host calendar link shortcode. This lets you include a link in the email so the recipient can easily book another appointment with the calendar owner. Once you've added your shortcodes and are happy with the content, click Preview to see how the final email will look. After that, go to the Calendar section under the Sales dashboard. Choose the calendar you want, either your own or another user's, then click Settings. From the options, go to Appointment Reminders. From there, select the email template. Just note that the drop-down will only show templates categorized under appointments. Once your template is ready, just assign it from the calendar settings under the appropriate reminder or confirmation section. That's how to create appointment email templates. Thank you.